Hey, let me show you unboxing of the POCO M6 Pro from the European distribution. And let's quickly take a look for the box. There's nothing special, but right here we can find information that this version it's actually 12 gigs of the RAM and 512 gigs of the internal storage. And the color is purple. So now let's go inside and let's see what we can find in the box. Like a few moments ago, I was also unboxing the POCO X6 Pro and the X6 5G. So if you are looking for other tutorials, I mean videos with the other POCO devices, just take a look for my channel so you can find other unboxings. Maybe you want to take a look for some comparison between the box accessories, between the M version and the X version. And now let's take a look what we can find inside. Okay, so here we got the box where we'll probably find some accessories, but now let's focus on this device. So at the top we can find information that we've got 120 Hertz full HD display, the AMOLED. There's also the 67 watt turbocharging, 5000 milliampere hours battery, 64 megapixel triple camera with optic image stabilization, and the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. Let's open it. There we go. It actually looks almost identical like the POCO X6 5G. So here we got the camera lenses, the 64 megapixel camera marking. On the right side, the two buttons. At the top we can find the headphone jack, the speaker, that's actually the AR blaster, the microphone, and on the left side there's the SIM card slot, and at the bottom we can find the USB-C input, the speaker, and that's all. Also on the screen, when we take a look closely, we can find what is going on with this brightness? We can find the factory install screen protector. As you can see, there's the cutout for the camera. So now let's turn it on and I'm gonna take a look for some other accessories. Okay, we got the POCO logo on the screen. Now let's move into accessories. Let's take a look right here. First we can find the SIM tool. And right here we got the warranty card, the safety information, and right here we got this silicone case. And from here we can find this 67 watt charger and the cable, and that's actually the USB-A to the USB-C cable. Now I'm gonna put it on the phone, and as you can see, this phone comes with the old version. There's no Hyper OS. Now I'm gonna put it on the phone. Okay, it's easy to put it on. It's actually soft feeling when you touch it. The camera bumper comes above the camera lenses, so you will not scratch them probably. And the same for the screen. It's actually come above the screen when you take a look for the corners. So yeah, that's actually all for this video. If you are looking for other videos with this device, just take a look for my channel, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.